Yeah, we're actually in public, so I need to like stop screaming. However, she is getting married to the love of her life next summer. A wonderful, wonderful man, and we are so excited. And today, she has honored me. I literally cried when she told me, and I'm gonna cry again, but we are wedding dress shopping. Yeah! Not usually like such a romantic hoe, but you know, today I am literally all up in the feels. So we are going to pick out her wedding dress, or at least, I mean, this is the first time you've gone shopping.
Yeah,
so
this is my first time, so it's gonna be exciting.
I'm gonna take you guys along the adventure. She so kindly agreed to let me film.
Oh my god, of course. Have Amber Scholl help me.
Stop.
Pick out my wedding dress. Oh my god, like, of course.
This is literally, oh my god, I'm gonna cry again. Okay, I can keep my composure. So yes, we are going wedding dress shopping. So without further ado, here we go. Wedding dress shopping.
Yeah.
If I can keep my cool, we're gonna shop. Oh my goodness, here's where we are. Woohoo, exciting. Oh my god, it's beautiful in here. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, look at all of these dresses, you guys. There is so many, and they're all so beautiful. I don't want to touch them because I'll probably get them dirty because I have hella self-tanner on, but okay, so we're gonna interview you really quick. Tell me, what kind of dress are you thinking?
So the dress style, I feel like I want to go grown and sexy vibes. I feel like I want like a mermaid style dress.
Yes.
But I'm open. End up with a big old ball gown. Like,
well, you never know until you try it.
Exactly.
With
So
all
I'm
things.
open.
Literally everything. Don't knock it till you try it, kids. They give you a whole entire room. What? Be the princess. Go inside the room. Show me the room. Do the tour. Okay, so here we have...
Mirror.
Oh. Oh, work.
Rack for all the dresses.
Yes, we have measuring. We have everything. We even have this
Good lighting.
thing. I know, good lighting. Hello, thank you. Oh, you look like a princess already. I'm gonna cry.
Oh my girl.
Now we're gonna pick out the first 5 to 6 dresses that she's gonna try on. What do you think? What are you into? I personally love the glittery one. The first one, I'm already over price point. Me. Oh my god, look at this one. Oh my gosh, they're all so pretty. And the lacy ones, there's so many different kinds. Proud dad. This is so cute. Alrighty, so this is the squad that Zia has brought with her. All right, introduce you guys.
I'm Asia. I'm Malia. I'm Zara. And I'm Amia.
Are they not the cutest people you've ever seen in your life? Sister goals. And then, oh my god, how freaking cute. We have Graham and the dad. Hi guys. Mama's here too. She doesn't want to be on camera, but no, she's here and very proud and just as lovely as the rest of the fam. Oh.
So pretty.
So this is the one that you saw online?
Yeah.
All right, well, we love online shopping in this house, so so we decided, well, I didn't decide. I decided that her theme is whimsical glam.
True with us.
I'm gonna be,
We did decide though, we
Yes, we
decided on the
decided.
title together, okay? She put the title for me together for my theme of my wedding. so we did decide.
Yeah, so we just settled on whimsical glam.
Whimsical glam,
Yes, so that should be fun. It's like a fairy princess except like modern.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah. So let's shop.
Yeah.
We found one to try, kids. Woo! Oh, a mood. So we are looking for a strapless, white, sparkly, but also open to A-line mermaid. We don't really know what we're looking for, I think. So yeah, we're just gonna see what there is. Oh, they even got snacks for us. Hello. Alrighty, so while she's getting her measurements taken, here is my outfit of the day. So we have this dress. You can see, oh my god, so stinking cute. Ooh, this was actually the dress that I got on eBay. But I obviously altered it. Some sneakers to make it a little bit more of a casual vibe. Oh, I forgot my purse, but there we go. Oh yes, now that is a bridal shopping outfit. I think she's almost ready. Oh my gosh, stop, this is so cute. Oh, so we got some veils. Do you want to wear a veil? Ooh, and we have all sorts of these funky thingamajiggies. Ooh, would you want to wear like a princess headpiece? No?
No.
I'll wear one. No, I'm just kidding. queen of helping people pick out wedding dresses. You should wear it. Queen always wears her crown. We're gonna leave. You're gonna have nothing, and we're all gonna have 6 crowns. They're nice. Yeah, little headbands.
Yeah, little.
Oh, you look so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are the ones that we have picked out for her to try on. I picked this one personally, but there we go. I'm like alone in here. You guys, come try on the dresses. Come here. They even give you mimosas here. Too bad I don't drink. That would be lit. Right, now we all just sit out here and wait for the princess to arrive. Dun dun dun, drum roll please. Ready? We're ready! Oh my god! Wow! Dude! You look spicy! Wow, look at the train! Oh my god, you look like a queen! What do you think?
I love it.
Already, well, we're done. That's it. Thank you. Oh, yes, the clips really, you did just no pictures from the back. Insta selfies only. Can you shake it? Can you shimmy? Woo! Get low, sis. Pop, lock, and drop it, man. Woo! Here comes the bride, all dressed in white. Oh. Oh my god, this is like that picture of Kim Kardashian. This is my new favorite hobby. I'm gonna go wedding dress shopping every day. Time for round 2. This one is so different than the other one. Wow. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow.
I love it. And it's comfy too.
Wow. You just look good in everything. You're cheating. This is like Tumblr, but real life. Queen of the whole world. I don't like this one as much as the other ones. Yeah, they were like wows. This one is like, what do you think?
Style-wise, the mermaid, I like the first mermaid one.
Yeah. Eagerly waiting. Doing some weird whatever this is. Alrighty, this one is very dramatic. Oh, wow. What do you think?
I like it.
Very whimsical princess. I think the sleeves really make it that feel like that. Because that has pretty, look at that, pretty sleeves. Oh my god, it looks so good. Look at how cute Dad is taking photos. You're so cute and supportive. I love it. Oh yeah, you can't see my face, but I'm like.
You're like.
I'm giving a dead away without saying anything. So even though I picked this out, I'm not into it actually. Not enough.
Yeah.
It's just not enough. It's not enough everything. Pick out a belt to make it prettier. Sometimes all you gotta do is add some glitter. And now it's our top choice. No, yeah. Done. See, quick DIY and now it's fabulous. Alrighty, so what are your favorites?
I have 3 favorites, but for all different reasons.
Okay.
The first one I like better for her style. The second one I like better for me. And the third one I like better for the theme of her wedding.
All right. What do you guys think?
I like the first one, but I don't remember how it looked. I just know that I like the first one. I like the second one, but I know that's not like what she wants for a theme, so the last one that we
The last one, yeah. How about you?
I like the second one the best because it makes her look like a princess. But for her, I think the first one.
The first one. What do you think?
I think the first one, especially for it being the new made one. I love it.
All right. Which one do you think, Dad?
I like the first one.
The first one. Mom says that she likes the first one, and honestly, I think I liked the first one too, but we will see. There's another dress coming up right now. We've all just analyzed you back here, so. Ooh,
too, though.
simple but beautiful. You look like you belong in a gorgeous garden forest. I feel like Regina George's mom. You're doing great, sweetie. You look great. Ooh.
And so this one's gonna have a whole layer of sparkle underneath.
Yes.
As well.
Oh my god, you can totally see it. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god, you look beautiful. Okay, so we're putting the first one on again to see if we really liked it as much as we all think we did. It's just so regal. This one is so beautiful. Pose. Ooh. Yes. Oh, you look so pretty in all of them. You guys, What do we pick? Let me know in the comments below. Best one! So what do you think, sis? Which ones did you like?
I don't know, my top 3. First 2, and then the one with the flowers, blush flowers. I need your guys' help too.
Help us out!
Help me decide.
They're so cute. Look at them all. Oh my god. So, look at them. I'm gonna cry. I love it. This is the cutest day of my life. So, yeah, that was us going wedding dress shopping. So fun. TBD which one you're gonna pick though, or we'll find out soon. Yes.
Yes, we will.
Probably might go shopping 100 other times. I won't bore you guys and film it every time, but you know, if you want to, sure. Every day a new wedding dress shopping vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Amber, for helping me.
Stop.
And being a part of a very special moment of mine. And I just want to thank you for documenting this.
By the way, before I cry and sign off,
I'm like, all right,
yeah, I was like, we gotta cut this because my eyelash is gonna fall off. That being said, make sure you guys check out their channel. Tell us what it is.
Forever X5.
Stop. How cute are they? And till next time, we're gonna sign off. Much love. Peace out, guys. Any final words, Nana? Any final words?
No final words. She's too busy eating.
We love it.